We had a customer that just came in that purchased a new Monterey boat with a Mercruiser drive in it. It has California emissions, and we're in Tennessee. And he's had problems with it for a while now. And what he finds out when he changes his filter, that it's full of black stuff, just carbon. And there's some that the filter, and those are the filters he changes. They're $30-something a piece. $47 a piece. He said he's gone through 8 of them. But when it starts to bog down, he changes the filter, and then everything works fine. We pulled a gas sample out of the tank, and that's what we got. And we pulled it out of the filter area, and that's what we got. You could see the gas on top, a nice layer of carbon, and some water on the bottom. So it had to be coming from somewhere, and we tracked down his vent line to this carbon canister right here, and said, well, that seems like that might be carbon, and that's the problem. And so it's a good chance that the carbon's coming from the carbon canister. So we drained some out of this carbon canister and got water and black carbon stuff. So I think we found the problem why his boat doesn't run, but we pulled the sitting unit out of his tank, and the inside of his tank is just coated with carbon. So we're really at a loss of what to do now. It's really not our problem. It's really not his problem. It's someone else's problem. So it'd be interesting to see where this project goes, since the boat's unusable, and he purchased it brand new, and now he can't even use the boat because it quits running.